Good evening, Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. What you're looking at today is a Fasco Parlor Fan. I acquired this a few months ago, actually on my birthday, and it was on Craigslist for free. And there were two of them. There was a big one and a small one, and not sure if the big one, I think it was a Charleston or something, but it was the same color and the same coloration, same blades and everything, just bigger. And there were two people that inquired about it. I guess the first one got the big one. I was the second one, so I got the small one, which is fine. And it was making quite a rattling noise when I first acquired it. So I sprayed off a little bit of WD-40 on the flywheel, and it it spins fine now. But yeah, it's I love the color of it. You know, the black with the brass accents and wood grain plastic blades, somewhat reminiscent of an Emerson blender fan. So, anyway, without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. No. Here we go. I don't know, the medium setting works, or it doesn't. Not sure if this is actually a setting or if it's just on the spin down, but either way, thanks a lot for watching. If you wouldn't mind clicking like on this video, I would much appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube page, go to the Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Well, folks, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.